Let's make photo manipulation. Bring a background of building and adjust it. Now bring a background of water and adjust it behind building. Now apply color balance and adjust its values. Bring shark in PNG and apply level and color balance on it. Do same process with other shark. Now bring all dolphins and apply color balance on it. Bring man in PNG and apply level and color balance on it. Now bring water on road image and apply color balance on it. Now make copy of man and adjust it to make shadow. Apply color overlay and blur effect on it with low opacity. Make a copy of shark, apply color overlay and dot blur effect on it with low opacity. Do the same process with all fishes. Thank you for watching.